In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to a page, blog post, or email in Hubspot. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it as easy as pie. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to seamlessly add documents where you need them, enhancing the functionality of your content. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Hubspot homepage. If you haven't visited HubSpot before, you might want to take a quick look around to get familiar with its interface. To kick things off, locate the login button usually found at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. You'll then be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have those ready to avoid any hiccups. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home screen. This is your command center where you can access all the tools HubSpot has to offer. With HubSpot open, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and find the Content tab. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Website Pages. This is where you'll choose the specific page you want to attach your document to. On the Website Pages screen, you should see a list of available pages. Go ahead and click on Home, or choose the page that best fits your needs. Once your chosen page is open in the editor, the next step is to select the area where you want to attach your document. Take a moment to carefully review your page and decide which section would be most relevant for your document attachment. Once you've found the perfect spot, highlight the text or area that will contain the link. With the text highlighted, you'll notice a menu bar appearing at the top of the highlighted area. Look for the Insert option in this bar. Clicking on Insert will bring up additional options, one of which is Image. Although it might seem a bit counterintuitive, we use this option to initiate the process of embedding content like documents. After clicking on Image, another pop-up will appear, giving you the ability to upload or select a file. This is the crucial step where you'll actually attach your document. Click on Upload to browse your computer's files. Navigate through your folders to find the document you want to attach and select it. Once the upload is complete, your document will be ready to integrate seamlessly into your page, blog post, or email. And that's it, you've successfully attached a document in HubSpot. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these steps as needed. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to tune in for more.